Hello, Namaste, Vanakkam, Sat Sri Akal to everyone. Today we have come with a new chapter, Legal JIP Legal, Chapter 9, Type of Credit Facilities. As you know, bank is taking deposit in lower interest rate and giving lending in higher interest rate. What is the difference? Is getting the profit. So the credit is the basic and the prime facility of the bankers. Now in this chapter we will discuss about different type of credit facilities in the bank we having. See, we having two credit facilities, fund based, non-fund based. Fund based having three types: cash credit, overdraft, term loan, demand loan, bill financing. Non-fund based facilities having four types: bank guarantee, letter of credit, which is governed by UCPDC 600 by ICC. ICC is International Chamber of Commerce. UCPDC 600 full form is Uniform Customs and Practicing relating to Documented Credit 600. That is very important question and please note it down. After that, third one is underwriting credit guarantee and fourth is derivative. Okay, friends, I will take one by one. What is that? First is cash credit and overdraft. Cash credit and overdrafts basically same type of facilities for working capital needs, but they have little difference. Generally, cash credits are taken by the businessmen for their working capital needs. Cash credit they will use as a working capital cycles. Whether in overdraft facility they can overdraw full amount by months, but in cash credit facility they can use according to their needs and wants. There is the one basic difference between cash credit and overdraft. Cash. The next one is term loan, demand loan. Term loan. Term loan is basically taken for a full a full tenure for creating fixed assets like machinery or expanding the business. And whether in demand loan, that lender is taken anytime you have to pay on the lender's demand, the demand loan. That is the basic difference between term loan and demand loan. There are 3-4 more differences between term loan and demand loan. In term loan, it is for a fixed tenure. Demand loan, it is for the short time. Tenure is not fixed. Anytime if you have fund, you can pay. Term loan, the interest is charged on the full amount of the sanction. Whether in demand loan, you utilize that much fund, only on that fund the interest portion is occur. Next one, the difference between that, this is like prepayment penalty in term loan is there. In demand loan, there is no prepayment penalty. Anytime you can close that amount. Like demand loan, we have example of gold loans, KCCs, personal loans. We are giving on demand loans. In term loan, we have housing loan, businesses loan, construction of the factory, building, land, etc. They are coming in term loan and demand loan. That is the basic difference between term loan and demand loan. Third one is bill financing. Okay. Friends, bill financing, before bill financing, term loan having three types: short term loan, medium, long. Short term tenure is 1 year, medium term loan 2 to 7 years, and long term tenure is more than 7 years. For the exam point of view, that is very important. Kindly note it down. Now bill financing. Bill financing having three types: bill discounting, dry bill acceptance, and bill co-acceptance. Friends, note it down. These both are fund-based facilities, and this bill co-acceptance is non-fund facilities. This is very important as point of exam point of view. Kindly note it down. Now I will tell you what is bill financing actually, bill discounting. See, like myself SK, one firm is there, one TVS firm is there. TVS, you know, who is making this two-wheeler. Now what happened? SK having some order from TVS, like brake shoes, seats cover and all. Okay, he delivered to TVS in bulk. Okay, now TVS told him he will pay him after selling out the vehicle. It may take 30 to 45 days. Now 30 to 45 days, this SK having cash crunch. How he will do these other things working capital needs? So what he will do? TVS will provide the invoices. They will come to the bank. Bank will give up to 90% of the invoices as a working capital to SK. 10% it will adjust in interest or other charges, and what is left he will pay on the due date. That is the simple process in Win Financing. Okay. So how it works? This is a simple process, and SBI having EBFS facility. Interest rate is 7% to 8%. So many units, many vendors are like Tata, this TVS, Honda, everyone is utilizing and enjoying that limits. Okay. Now we will come to non-fund based facilities. Guarantee, bank guarantee. Bank guarantee generally banks give in the favor of borrower to the third party, like government tenders. Government is asking bank guarantee to giving tender. The bank is giving that if borrower is failed to do the work as accordance to the government, bank will able to pay. So we will in the later chapter we will discuss further about DG. Next is LC. LC is also inland LC and international LC. Generally it is governed by UCPC DC 600 by ICC. One chapter is there full for LC. We will discuss everything about that. You just note it down this how who is governing and all. That is an important part in this chapter. Then underwriting credit guarantee. See, this is very important. Previously what happened, like when company who is generating income from the like IPO or from share market. So but bank is giving guarantee to the some extent to the persons who are purchasing that. That we can say credit guarantee. But nowadays merchant banking is there, MBA is there, so this type of is very less you find in the market. Now derivative, that is the hedging. Hedging, this chapter is different, we can discuss, but I will give you the brief idea what is hedging. Like now you see this international, this rupee value is 76 rupees. Okay, some like 2-3 years back it was 70 rupees. So what people will do, they will tell you don't convert my money to rupees, you make it 70 rupees, I will convert it later. When the currency will fluctuate according to their convenience and the benefit, they will encash it. So this facility we will call hedging. Derivative one chapter is there, we will discuss everything in that. Now one more credit facility is there, other credit. Like you know consumer credit, Bajaj Finance, credit card loans, small loans. Like you going for washing machine purchase, they will give you Bajaj Finance no cost EMI. They all are considered as other credit. Actually nowadays it is booming like anything. Previously it was very less consumer credit loans. Now they have a very good market in that. So friends, I hope you will get the brief idea of credit facility of the bank. Thank you.